Baie dankie.
Ja, sê. Baie dankie. Dit gaan lekker daar.
Kira sê hy kom nie vandag.
Maar dan het dit dan gestaan. Hy kom vandag.
Ja, ek het hom gesê, ek sê ek tel aan te kry ons 8 dae, toe dan ek nie sien wat ek gehoor het nie.
Toe gaan check ek dit nog.
Jy nou met die besem al gedrink.
Ry met kar, is seker Uber, hè? Hallo. Dan self
Go through it.
Sorry?
I said we will go through it.
Dink jy sal nie deurgaan nie.
Oh. Come on. The thing. You got
Sorry?
that thing?
Pen?
Yeah.
No.
OTP. Oh, what's up? You didn't receive the limited.
Is julle van wat courier guys?
Yes. I received one now.
Is dit nie, skat? Weet nooit wat se naam wees. Se pakkie wees. Ja. Ja, want die mense het gery. Miskien moet jy haar gou bel en vir haar vra.
Ek sien wat hulle van.
Hulle gee nie 'n van nie, hulle gee net ja, sy moet 'n pinnommer gee.
I called you. That's the number that I called you, this one. I think
Ja,
you got it there.
maar daar's geen pin nie.
I resend one now.
Oor.
Kyk gou weer. Dan is dit jou pakkie, want ek wou sê sy het niks vir my gesê nie.
Oor, daar is hy.
Ek sê sy die pin.
972. Okay, thank you.
Oh, you getting
no.
clever, ne?
What? Let me check. There's no other one. Oh, 293. That one is the one that they send it to you by the morning time.
Oor,
Yeah. So this one I resend it now. Okay, thank you.
Nou van waar af kom julle? From which place?
This person.
Huh?
Sorry?
From which place that sent you?
No, me, I'm
Courier
taking it from our depot, Randburg, and
Right.
then I deliver this side
Yeah.
only.
Yeah, but you don't come from Emili
No, I don't go
or
there.
Miley.
Me, I'm just working here. I take stuff here, I drop it the depot, they take stuff for
Randburg,
Emily, they take stuff for Bloom.
Because actually I'm waiting for a package from AliExpress. AliExpress work with Millie. You know Millie?
Yes,
Emili
I know, yeah.
and Miley.
Yeah.
So probably, so maybe they sent the package to you.
No problem. I
Well,
know the place.
Okay, let's go. I was confused now.
No, don't stress.
Yeah,
Okay.
because this courier story is very confusing.
You know the story.
Okay, dankie seun. Lekker dag. Hier is ek. Ja. Goeiemôre. Aan jouself met toe maar ek sê sommer so vat. So groot bakkie hierdie.
Ja.
Ek sien daar so, ja.
Hey, okay.
4x4.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Yeah. You don't scare for a pothole, no.
I just pass.
You just pass.
I just go through.
That's yeah, because yes, you see.
But
there was-
I'll cry if the bottle damage the tire.
Eish,
That is where the problem is.
yeah, because this whole world, you so onerous of It's a
I see-
mother hole.
Yeah, I see even when I come in there, there's water there.
Yeah.
You'll never know
Yeah.
if this is a hole or what.
Yeah.
If you go back now, go past that side, okay?
This
Yeah.
way, ne?
Ja, normally we tell the people after me just come down the one way. Dis
yeah.
was makliker.
Yeah. Okay, thank
But
you.
with those bakkies like this,
Yeah.
it's lekker.
They are very strong, yeah.
It's lekker man, lekker.
Yeah,
Jy
thank
moet-
you.
Ja,
Thank you so
so-
much, eh?
you have a safe drive.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you,
Ja,
Paya.
bye see. Huh? Oh, sy. Baie dankie.
Engel teken gou daar sê.
Hulle het nie verdwaal nie.
Sorry?
Lost.
No.
Hulle het nie verdwaal nie.
My second time to come here.
The second time.
Yeah.
Because one of the previous drivers,
Was lost
he was lost in this here. Waar moet ek teken?
by the inside here.
Inside daar, net so.
Yeah.
En sy kom verkeerd het, kan ek hom weer regmaak.
Oh, you're getting clever, nee.
Dis like, is it?
Baie dankie.
Jy weet mens kan dit met jou vinger doen, hè.
Ja.
Baie dankie. Wag net bietjie, ek gaan vir jou koeldrank bring, hoor.
Oh,
Ja.
thank you man.
Dat julle so mooi sulke goeie diens lewer.
Thank you.
Ja. Net ek weet party mense hulle sukkel om die plek te kry. Ek weet nie hoekom nie.
Hey,
You-
the thing is that there by first way, they change. Today is you, today is me, today is another one who's coming. Hey. But for me, it's second time.
Oh, it's the second
I
time.
didn't have any
That's good.
problem.
So you know the
The place.
area and the place. That's good. You use wat gebruik julle Google Maps?
No, I'm not.
Julle gebruik nie die GPS nie.
I can't play no.
Maar gebruik jy nie GPS nie.
Yes, please.
Gebruik jy
I
GPS?
can't play no.
Plek nou, nee, dit is goed. Nee, hulle
Baie dankie ma'am.
Dis 'n plesier,
Baie
hoor.
dankie.
nou goed gaan. Lekker naweek hou.
Mooi ry,
Baie
hoor.
vir vriendelike diens. Kom maar, dit is fout.
Ek wil 'n knippie maar hê, maar